In today's video, I'm gonna be changing the carburetor in this Craftsman gas-powered generator. All right. So last time I tried to start it, it was leaking gas right around here. This is the carburetor right there. It was leaking pretty bad, so I ended up ordering one off Amazon. It didn't cost me too much, so I'm gonna switch that out, swap it out, and try to start it up and see what we got. All right. Okay, so I got all the covers off the filter front cover. There's a little piece that holds the filter in, and that's all I had to take off to get to the carburetor. All right, so I'm not done. I just wanted to show y'all halfway breaking it down, but I'm still disassembling. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a second. All right, so we halfway there. Got the old carb out of there. You see it right there. All right, it didn't look like it was in too bad a shape. Of course, I haven't looked in the bowl. I don't know if any of the jets are clogged, but that gasket looked bad. So that could have been my leak right there, I'm assuming. All right, with this new one, I do gotta do some assembly. The choke lever isn't on. I don't know what they're called, but like the valve for they open and close. On the car, it's a throttle body. I don't know what it's called on this, but the little open and close valves for the gas and the air, gotta put those on, and I will check back with y'all when I get that done. All right, as you can see, well, first of all, excuse me, I kind of skipped ahead a little bit. I meant to video this when I had it in my hand before I set it up here, but I still haven't bolted it down all the way. I dressed the new carb up. As you can see, I put the choke lever on. I put the little throttle thing or whatever that is, valve on the inside of it. Got these two cables connected to it. You can see open, close. All right, and I just set it up here, but I'm about to bolt it down right there. Then I'm gonna put the holes for the gas back on. And then after we put the covers back on, well, I'll probably try to start it up before I put the cover on. But we can give it a go after that, y'all. We right there. We in the home stretch. All right, time for the moment of truth. Gas on. Full of gas. I don't know how good the gas is, but we got gas in it.